Hello students. Yes students, welcome back to your online classes. Okay, now student, today we will read countable or uncountable noun. Okay, nouns are divided into countable or uncountable nouns. So what is countable noun? First let's see what is countable noun. So nouns that can be counted, nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. Okay, nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. Or what is uncountable nouns? Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable Okay, nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. So this is the definition of countable noun. Nouns that can be counted are called uncountable nouns, or nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Okay, like pen, pencil, okay, chair, these girls, boys, these are counted because you can count them like 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen. Okay, now pencil you can count like this: 1 pencil, 2 pencil, 3 pencil, and chair also, and girls also, and boys also, because you can count these easily. So these are called countable nouns. Okay, uncountable nouns like sugar, okay, milk, oil, okay, these are not countable because you cannot count these. Okay, you cannot count these: 1 sugar, 2 sugar, you cannot count these, 1 milk, 2 milk. So these are uncountable nouns. Okay, these are examples of uncountable nouns, or these are examples of countable nouns. Okay, qualified by many, a few, or and numbers. Okay, qualified by some, much, or a little. Okay, so student, look at the board. Countable nouns are qualified by many, a few, and a numbers, or uncountable nouns are qualified by some, much, or a little. Okay, for example, okay students, I hope you have understood what is the definition of countable noun or uncountable noun. So I have to erase. For example, like many boys. Okay, because boys are countable, so you will use these quantifier, okay, like many, a few, and a numbers, okay, like many boys, a few girls, okay, I mean 2 pens. So when we, okay, these quantifier we can use before the nouns, okay, like many boys, okay, a few girls, 2 pens, because these are countable, so we will use these quantifier for countable nouns, okay. Like qualified nouns, sorry, uncountable nouns qualified by some, much, or a little. So those are uncountable nouns. We will use these quantifier, okay, like some milk. You can use some milk. You can't use many milk, okay. You can use some milk, a little sugar, or much oil. So we will use these quantifier like some milk, a little sugar, or much oil. So we can use these quantifier before uncountable nouns. So students, I hope you are getting like if you want to make any question, then you can ask how many students are in the class. It means if students are countable, so you can ask how many students are in the class, okay. If you want to ask how much milk, then you can ask how much milk, कितना milk है, then you can some milk, थोड़ा milk, some milk, a little sugar, or much milk, you can say like this. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms, okay. Or most of uncountable nouns do not have plural forms, okay students. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms, but uncountable nouns don't have plural forms, okay, they have only singular forms. Article a and is used, article a or an are used before singular nouns, okay. Article a and are used before singular countable nouns, or no one article is used before any uncountable noun. Okay students, article A and are used before singular nouns. No one article is used before uncountable nouns. I hope you have understood. So students, like I am repeating again that those nouns can be counted are called countable nouns, like girls, boys, students, books, chair. These are counted because we can count them easily. Or those are uncountable nouns, we cannot count them. Okay, like sugar, milk, oil, knowledge. This type of noun we cannot count. Okay. Countable nouns are qualified by many, a few, or numbers. Or countable nouns have singular and plural forms. Okay. Articles A and are used before singular nouns. Most of uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. No one article is used before uncountable nouns. So students, like uncountable nouns, okay, because they don't have plural forms, so we should say like this: okay, we should say or we should not say like this: money. Okay, we can say some money. Okay, I mean some money, some food. Okay, like some furniture. Okay, a piece of bread, a little food, you can say. A little food you can say, but you can't say monies. Okay, you can't say foods, you can't say furnitures. Okay, you can't say breads. Okay, because they don't have plural forms, so we can't say monies, foods, furnitures, bread. If you need to say, then you can say I need some money, I need some food, yeah, or little food, some furnitures. Okay, some furniture, a piece of bread. You can't use here plural forms. Okay students, I hope you have understood. So okay, to make you understand, I write more example for you, like sugar, milk, chair, girls, furniture, okay, money, jam. Okay, so in this given box you have to put C or UC. I mean C for countable noun or UC for uncountable noun. Okay, so let's see how. Sugar is counted. Can you count sugar? No, it cannot be counted. So you will put here uncountable, UC. Okay, uncountable. Okay, milk, you can count this? No. Then you will put here UC. Chair, it is counted? It can be counted? No, it cannot be counted. So you will, sorry, it can be counted, sorry. Okay, it can be counted, so you will put here C. Girls can be counted, so you will put here C. Furniture cannot be counted, so you will put here UC. Money, okay, so you will put here UC. Jam is uncountable. Okay, okay. In money, बच्चों, students, in money you can count rupees, but money you cannot be, okay, we cannot count. So money is uncounted. Okay, but rupees can be counted, or money is uncounted. So student, I hope you understood this video. Thank you student, and you have to do this example in your notebook. Okay students, thank you.